Hi everyone. In today's video, we are going to see how to create a simple invitation using PowerPoint, and it is so easy to create, and we can download it as an image and we can share as an e-invitation to our friends, relatives and neighbors for any special occasion. So let's get into the learning. So here you see an invitation with a theme, the car theme. So let's see how to create this invitation. So before getting into this, I want to tell about few features which we should know before getting started into working on it. So here in the PowerPoint we have the insert option. So in the insert option you can see shapes where you can drag and drop different shapes and have colors for it, and likewise you can insert pictures, and here's a text box to write text over the slide. So these are the features we are going to use today. So let's get started. Let me create a new slide. So right click and click onto the new slide. Here we get a blank page. So let's delete all the pages, all the placeholders here. Okay, so to get started with, we need an header and a footer. So for that, I'm going to take a rectangle shape. I clicked onto the shapes, then I'm selecting rectangle. Here you can see it, and I'm placing in the cornermost wherever I needed it. So let me expand. So I need the color as black, so I'm filling the color black here. So likewise, I need the same shape for the footer as well. So I'm just doing a copy paste, Control C and Control V, which do the copy paste, or you can do a right click and you see here the copy, and then you can paste wherever you need it. So the next step is to create the white squares to give the effect of the car's theme. So again I'm going to insert and selecting the shape. Here I want to make it as a square. So let me reduce the shape to however I needed it. Let me drag it here. Okay, I want the shape white in color, so I'm just filling it up white in color. Then copy paste the same shape and drag to the position, and I'm doing the repeated copy paste to get the shape of it. Sorry, I'm moving it a little bit up so that it has the connection. Okay, now it is perfect. So let me do the copy paste all over until we get the shapes here. Maybe even instead of white, if you feel if you need a different color, you can fill it up with. Okay, here we got it. And the last box, I'm just reducing it to fit into the page. So we are going to do the same thing in the bottom as well. So To do it easily, let me select all the shapes here together and make a copy paste of that so that it makes my job very easy. So now I have selected it and did a copy paste. Now I can drag it to the footer as well. So here you can see it is done. Okay. So our next step is to have the red background. Again, go to insert and then shapes. Click onto the same rectangle and expand it to fill up the white space and make it as a red background. Since we have the theme as like cars, we are creating the invitation in this format, but you can have different themes as well as per your liking. So I'm filling the shape with red. So I got the background now. So the next step is like to have the text, what we see here, as well as the text in this box. So let us get the text over there. Again, we have to go to the insert and here you see the text box. Click onto that and you get add text here, like position it to wherever we need. So let's write on that. To get the same effect, like I'm writing the same wordings here, but however, like you can modify it. So I want the text in yellow, so I'm just clicking on going to the home page and here you see the font color. I've made it as like the color whichever I needed. Now you can make it bold, and also I'm going to change the font to, yeah, you can choose any font you ever want, and I'm choosing to the copper plate. Okay, now you can position it and you can increase the size. Here you can see the font size, so let me increase it to 24 so it gives a bold and bigger font and text here. Okay, let me position it in the center. Now we need the box to show like where the venue is and details about the occasion in the invitation. So now we need shape, again the same rectangle shape. Here you can see it is being, it's populated here, so I'm just dragging it to the shape however I want it. It need not like you have to use rectangle, you can use different shapes as well. Okay, so in this I don't want any filling, so I'm making it as no fill, but I need the outline in yellow color and I need it little more with weight. So you can go to the colors like outline colors and then increase the weight. So I'm trying to increase it to 2. Here you can see the weight has been increased. Okay, so that's it with this one. If you see the invitation, I have the dotted lines as well and the text inside that. So let's see how to get the dotted lines there. Again, go to the insert and then shapes. Here you see lines. Just click onto that and you get the lines. So place the lines wherever you need. Okay. Again with the shape, go to the outline here, and here you can see the dashes. So I want to go with the dash line, and also I want it white in color, and also I want to increase the weight, make it as 1. Maybe I can increase it more. I will make it as 2.14. Okay, this sounds good now. So I want to make a copy paste of the line. Just do Control C and Control V to do a copy paste. So I have placed it here. So inside this we can have the text. So again go to the text, and here you see the text box. Okay, so we wanted to write date. Let me write some random date, Friday, January 21, 2020, and increase the text box as per your text fits. And then I want to write the place where it takes place. So for now, let me put some placeholders, and then I want to write the time when it takes place, maybe sorry 6 p.m. EST, something like this. So I'm going to select the text. You can use Control A, or you can use the mouse and select the text. So I'm going to select the entire text. I want the text to be white in color. So go to Home and change the font color. So I have changed the font color. I want to make it bold. And again, I want to change the font. Maybe I can use Algerian, and I wanted the size. Maybe 18 is doing good. And I want to make it center. So I can do the text alignment. I can click on the text alignment and make it as center. So this looks good. Okay, now we want the contact details. Again, go to Insert and do another text box. Repeat the same stuff. So write the content, whatever is needed. So for now, let me write the contact mobile number, adjust the text. I want to select the text again. So using your mouse, like you can drag over, and then I will do the same procedure again. Go to the font color, change it to white, and again align it like center alignment, and you can change the font name as Algerian and different font size. So we are done with this part. So the next step is to have the images here. So here you can see two balloon images flying over, and different images are here. We have a flag and two different cars and the logo image. So what I have done is I have taken the images from internet, I have clipped it and I have pasted in OneNote for my easy reference. So what I'm going to do is I am going to do a copy paste of the images. So first let me take the balloon and do a copy paste, just the Control V and the Control C. Here you can see it. So I'm just dragging over wherever I need to place the balloon. Again I'm doing a copy paste of that. Okay. So next I want to bring in the flag image here. So again Control C and Control paste. I'm placing it here. We have two good car images. I'm going to copy it now. Let me do the copy again. I think this is a good copy. So I want to place it somewhere around here. I got the other color as well. I'm placing it here. Okay. So now I want the photo or picture or some other image here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert the oval shape. Again go to insert and then shapes. Select onto the oval. You you will get a circle, but you can adjust it as an oval one. So I want it to elongate over here. So here within the oval shape, maybe you can make the fill up as like no fill up, and you can have the outline as white, or like you can have it in a red. That would look much more better, and you can increase the weight. This is looking good. So inside this you can have an image or picture of a kid, and you can place it here like how we pasted the other images. So now we are going to bring in the logo part. So here I got the Disney Pixar Cars logo because that is the theme for it. Obviously you can bring in the other logos. So I'm just doing a copy paste. I'm adjusting the picture to fit in the oval I have, or like I can adjust the oval as well to fit in the logo I have here. So let me select onto the oval again, and I can adjust it. And I'm doing a little bit of adjustment to the logo image as well. Okay, so now I want to erase or hide the wordings here, and I want to customize it. So what I'm doing is right click the image and send it. Maybe I have to right click, sorry, give me a minute. I have to right click the oval and make it like bring it to front. And let me try this one. Let me try to send it backwards so but it goes behind. Okay. What I can do is like for now, instead of placing an image, let me insert something like an image, and you can see like how it is getting hidden inside. Or you can use the paint and you can erase the Disney Pixar wordings there. So assume like this is an image for me or a picture. So let me fill it up with a gray color. So now you see the wordings Disney is hidden. Now I have to customize the wordings cars and wanted to write it as child is turning 5, maybe the child name. So what we can do here is a small trick. Go to shapes and insert a rectangle, and you can fit in the rectangle as per the size to hide the cars. Okay, and I'm making the rectangle black in color so it's hidden. And right click the rectangle. Here you see the text cursor is there. So I'm going to write here like child is turning 5. And for sure, like you can adjust the text font. Maybe I can give it the child name, and I just want to select 5 and make it as Algerian as well. And I want the entire text to be selected and make it as bold. So now you see here a simple invitation is created, and you can like convert it to an image, take a screenshot of it, send it over as an image, as an e-invitation to your friends, neighbors, and relatives. And it is a simple way to create an invitation instead of paying it and creating it. And you can have this template and share it across. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Please watch and subscribe and like the video. Thank you so much.